Hey y'all, it's Natalie and I have another unboxing for you. I feel like I've had a lot of these lately and this one is totally my fault. I saw this product when I was on vacation and I didn't buy it right away because I was like on vacation. I was on a small screen and I'm old and buying things is a big screen activity, but I couldn't get it out of my brain. It was so cute and I was so excited about it. And so when I got home, I bit the bullet and I had to do it. So I have subscribed to the Hero Arts card kit of the month. And it came today. And it's so cute and I'm so excited. I can't wait to open it. I haven't opened it at all. So let's dive in. Okay. So it is a monthly subscription, but it seems like their deal is pretty good. Like, they'll sneak. I actually need to see right now if there's some sneak peeks because they sneak towards the end of the month and then they reveal on the first of the month. And then I think you can still cancel up until the 3rd. So you don't have long, but you have a couple of days, I think, from what I read. And so I like that because like if you don't like what they have to show you, you can cancel and then just come back the next time. So anyway, that's what I've told myself would happen. All right. So I'm excited. So it comes first off doing good because my favorite color is green and they gave me a Hero Hues Core ink and it's in the color Pine. And then it looks like we have, some cardstock. And then we have a guide, I think. And so it's like a example of the card and then directions on how to make that exact card, which is really nice. And then I think it has all of the supplies that came in the whole kit. Oh, I just had to get it, guys. I just couldn't let it go. It was so cute. Look at it. It's oh my gosh, it's a stamp set and 2 dies. And so, of course, it's for cards, but I'm going to put it on a scrapbook page. And it's a lot of intricate dies. And I know that sometimes I do struggle with using those, but look at how cute it is. And all of the examples online were so good and just a bunch of different ways to use it. And I think that I can come up with even more ways. And I'm super excited. So this one is the legs. So you have like the legs and the shoes and you have like little shoelaces. Oh my gosh, you could do so much with the colors and everything. You have the things to hang from your rear view mirror. You have your coffee, of course. You have your fuzzy dice. You have your air freshener. You got sunglasses. What is this? Your arm. That's your arm driving. Oh, it's so freaking cute. Okay. And then you have the other one, which is the inside of the car. So they're both standalone. So I've seen them create, obviously, with both, as the example is on the front. But also, like, I've seen them do legs by themselves. I've seen them do 3 legs together. So it was like you were just sitting there with your friends. I think the possibilities are endless. Well, not endless, but okay. Cute. And then you have the inside of the car, which, let's be real, for me, this is the inside of a Jeep, which I do have some ideas like going in my brain about kind of combining this with a Jeep die that I already have, or maybe a cut file in like my travel album. I'm kind of excited. I do have like at least one thing brewing. And so then you have all of the little bits and pieces in the car. So you can, it's like doing a puzzle, which I've been super into doing puzzles lately too. But then you can cut everything out in like different colors and like piece it in. It's so cute. I just can't. It's so cute. I'm so excited to play with these. And then you have the scene outside of your window. So you build your scene or you build your car, but you need to see something cool outside the window. Also, you probably shouldn't ride like this. It's probably dangerous. And there's another die. I love it. I'm so excited. Okay, so this one, sorry, the crinkles. So this is the On the Road Heroscape. And so you have your sky. Yeah. So you have your mountains and your road and your sky, your sun and your moon. You have cacti. You have some layering bits. I think that is what, maybe this one looks like it's going on the bottom of the mountains. So, okay, this is like background of the mountains, and then you have a top layer of the mountains, and then you have a little bit more. And literally, like, this is just reminding me of when we went to Death Valley, because we were coming in when the sun was setting, and like the mountains were just gorgeous. And then a couple of little sentiments to go with it. But I think you can use this for so many different things. Like, you could use it for out west in Western US, but there's so many different like views. So I could totally do a scene like we were in the Smoky Mountains. You don't have as like vast open areas where you're seeing the mountains, but so what I mean, there are some, and like one of my favorite places is Cades Cove, and there's like one place that's like open field and the mountains around. That one's more like compact and you go around the mountains. But anyway, this is so cool. I'm super excited. And so you have like some dies. It looks like you don't have like a full mountain to cut out, but you kind of have like the outline of them. So I think that means that you can layer them, so you don't have to stamp things on top. Maybe, I don't know, we're gonna play with it. I'll kind of like play with it and do a video. And I mean, obviously I'm sure there's already videos out there, but I'm just really excited about this product. This isn't too long. We get 2 full die sets and then a stamp with a coordinating die. And then an ink. So let's open real quick the paper pack that comes with it. Which, you know, that I recently also received an amazing paper kit from Your Paper Insider. And I think that we could definitely create some awesome things using that with this. So we have a really cool metallic. So I love this because I'm thinking like the inside of the car, you know, you're getting like, what do you call it? Like your chrome. And then I don't even know what size these are, but I like them. You know what they are? They're so smart. These go directly on my pad for my Big Shot. So they're a perfect size for that. You don't have to trim anything. I love that. They're smart. So we have a darker turquoise. Well, I mean, this probably says, let's see. Oh, this says additional supplies needed. So they didn't tell us everything. I don't know all the colors of these then, but that's okay. And a lighter and an even lighter. So I like that, like a gradient look. Very bright and fun in summer colors. You have a lime green and a nice yellow and a lighter yellow and orange. Just a nice little rainbow here. A nice coral and a peach and then a little pinky color. I love them. I love this. Okay, that is so fun. I can't wait. I'm gonna stop the video so I can go create. I'll link it down below if you're interested. I think that they sell the kits after, as long as they didn't sell out. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Bye, y'all.